Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Yanique and this is our channel Fun with Yan and Ren, and today we will be doing a review of a beautiful unit that is located inside the Ocean Pointe Housing Scheme. And there's something special about this unit. It's not just a house, it is an actual Airbnb, and the name of this Airbnb is Tranquility at Sony A. Now, for those of you who are actually located on the eastern side of Jamaica, we have done a little video for you so you can see the major areas that tourists go to, and this will, serve as a landmark, so that way you will have an idea of where this unit is located or where this housing development is located. And don't worry, for persons who are in the western side and don't exactly know where Ocean Pointe is, we have you guys covered too. So we'll show you guys what the journey is like. Of course, we're pretty close to Grand Palladium and Lady Hamilton Resort and Spa, so that is a plus. And we're very, very close to the town of Lucea. Can you believe it? Just 7 minutes away from the town of Lucea and approximately 7 minutes just the same away from Sandy Bay. All right, so to give you some idea or to give you some information about this specific unit, we are looking at a 3-bedroom unit that has 2 bathrooms, and we're going to see a little bit of the name or get to understand why it's called Tranquility at Sony Escape. We'll see that throughout the unit, and I can't wait to bring you guys through with that. And as we go along, we will be sure to give you some additional information about this location or about this specific Airbnb. All right, now let's go on in and take a look. All right, so we entered this beautiful Airbnb into the living space, and guys, when I tell you that you can actually see where the Sony Escape came from, the decor here, it is so simple, but yet it is so unique. And the touch of yellow reminds us of the beautiful sun here in Jamaica and reminds us that this is home away from home. All right, it is very beautiful, simple, but very, very nice. We also have a beautiful 50-inch smart television that is here along with Wi-Fi. So when you are here, you can do all you need to do, relax, play games with the family, whatever it is you want to do while you're at this Airbnb, you're good to go. All right, now also to mention the high tray ceiling that is here in the living room space. It is simply beautiful. Yes, so we'll have the meeting on Friday and we'll resume on this topic. All right, thank you, have a nice day. All right, so as we're seeing here, we have our beautiful office desk. We are able to actually do our work while we're on vacation or just check in, ensure everything is going on as it should. You have any kids that's doing online schooling, summer school, whatever it is, perfect space. And there's no distraction. You're here and you're looking at the beautiful wall and there's some decor that are here. I just simply love this space. It's really simple, it is really nice, and it's a comfortable chair, so you'll be very comfortable while you're doing your work or whatever it is that you need to get done. Now, when we leave our work area, we're moving right into the dining room area, which once again, guys, simplicity. Absolutely love the simplicity of this. The touch of yellow again reminding us of the beautiful sunshine, and absolutely love this fixture. Love it. Another thing that I love about this Airbnb is this accent wall. Guys, look at this. Look at this. I just love it. I love it. It is so unique. It is so beautiful. It is so different. Everyone has their different ways of doing things. Folks would use picture frames and all that good stuff, or just put another color on the wall. But these hosts, and mind you guys, they're actually super hosts on Airbnb. Remember, we're going to be linking this specific Airbnb in the description box below. And if you made it this far, thank you so much for staying with us. Remember to like, remember to share, remember to comment, and remember to go book Tranquility at Sony Escapes. All right, now we are leaving that wall for a little while, and we're moving directly into our kitchen space, folks. Look at it. Look how functional this is, right? We're looking at our stove over here. We have our different appliances. We have our blender, our coffee machine, our utensils, our kettle. And guess what? Guess what? These drawers are soft close. We have our pots, soft close. Listen, you need to come to Tranquility at Sony Escape, yeah? And this is what I love. If you know me, guys, you can come and bake. Come and bake. You get your microwave, you have a toaster oven, your two-sided sink, and this granite countertop. Absolutely love it. You have your refrigerator that has the water dispenser. You are good to go. So you're well taken care of. And while you're washing up the dishes, don't worry. You have a little view. Just a tops though. We kind of have to go on the outside to be able to see more of what that view would look like. Oh hey guys, welcome to bedroom number 1. Once again, I absolutely love the colors. Simple and nice. You know, we have a saying here in Jamaica. Well, maybe it's not Jamaica. Less is much. And I must say this room, it is beautiful. It is very simple, but it is beautiful. And you have 2 lovely windows inside this room that allows a lot of natural light to come in. I really love the touch of yellow again, reminding us of the sun. We also have those cute little picture frames over the bed head. I love it. Another thing, at the base of the bed, look at what you have. You have a whole lot of storage. And of course, we know this is dual purpose, right? So look at that. We can sit. We can put anything we want in there. So guess what? We can pack up the entire family, pack up everybody. Come down a country if you're coming from Kingston, and if you're west, you're coming on our next town. Yeah? We're gonna come and enjoy it right here. Now we're gonna show you what this closet space look like. One thing to know, guys, this is not no ordinary board door for the closet, and I'm not saying that there's anything wrong with those doors, but I love this. I love it. Look at that. No glass to break, no board, nothing. I love it. I love it. And it's so simple. Little to no effort, and everything just glides nicely. So of course we have our space here. They already have racks or shelves actually that you're able to, you know, I think it's ample space, so you'll be able to put your luggages in here if you need to. You can hang things if you need to. You like to fold, you can. So this unit is simply nice. And you also have a nice little dresser. There's a mirror, and you have drawers that you'll be able to put your stuff in. So we're going to exit bedroom number 1, and we're going to go to bedroom number 2, because remember, we're doing a 3-bedroom Airbnb. Yeah, so we're heading into bedroom number 2, and listen, I bet you guys were looking for the sun again, but guess what? Remember, Jamaica is not just about the sun, you know. How can we leave out the sand? How can we leave out the beach? Listen, and on that note, I will also let you guys know that this specific Airbnb is very close. 2 minutes walk from a private beach. What else would you want? And guess what? It is free. It is free. So this specific bedroom number 2, just gives you a feel of that beach. It has you longing for that beach water, that little salt water, whatever it is. It's right across the road. It's right there. And the touch to this room, it is different. As you can see, it's different from bedroom number 1, and I love it. Yeah. Now, of course, we have our window that gives us some natural light, just the same, in this room, and that is good. It's really, really good. We have a nice mirror that is on the wall, and we also have our closet, so much like the previous. So you have some hangers, you have some shelves, you want to put your luggage here, whatever it is that you want to fold, you're able to put that in. Now let's exit bedroom number 2, and we're going to stop right here folks, right here. So at the top, I'm short, so guess what? We have storage up here. Oh my God, I caught it. We have storage up here folks. Storage. Look at storage. Look at that. So right here you have your towel, you have your wash rags, everything that you need to stay at this Airbnb. It's in house. It's here. And right beside it, so right now we're located between bedroom number 1 and bedroom number 2, and there's a door here that takes us into the bathroom. Now for the bathroom, guys, we're entering the bathroom and we can see the lovely sink, and the first thing that probably catches your eye is that shower. We are looking at this space. Look at that mirror, guys. Look at that mirror. Look at that face basin. When I tell you that it is small, but guess what? It's not too small. You don't feel clustered in here. Everything looks beautiful. And I love the shower as well. It is beautifully designed. Once again, it is simple, but it is unique. It is nice. All right, so this bathroom, functional. Of course, you have your rags, your towels, everything inside here. Now let's let's see what we're looking at in here. So we have our little window, and look at our shower heads. So you want that rainfall? Yeah, we can get it from up there, but guess what? See, for me now, this here, no, not the hairstyle. So for us females, guys, we can take this and see, yes, I'm bathing, literally, I'm bathing. So we can take our shower heads and we can do our thing. And one other thing is too, it has ample space inside the shower, so you don't feel too snug inside here. It's really, really good space. You have your bath mat, and that would be it for the bathroom. So just keep in mind, bedroom number 1, bedroom number 2 shares the same bathroom. All right, guys, so we're finished with bedroom number 1 and 2 and that bathroom. So guess what? We're heading to the master bedroom. Let's go. Here's the reveal. So, welcome to the master bedroom. So, we're looking at a king size bed, guys. We are looking at a really comfortable space. We have our master bedroom that we can play with. We have our master bedroom that we can boom flick in, but guess what? I'm not gonna do that. Nope, not today. We have, of course, we have a beautiful television here. Of course, it's another smart television, so you are good where it concerns your Netflix, your YouTube. Oh, on that note, remember to go on YouTube, look for Fun with Yan and Ren. Like, comment, share. And remember, guys, we're in an Airbnb located in Ocean Pointe Housing Scheme that is in Lucea, Hanover. The name of this Airbnb is Tranquility at Sony A. All right, in the description box. All right, so one of the things that we're going to highlight for this space, look at that. Look at that. Now we're talking about our closet space. We can walk in. Let's go in there and see. So we can walk into this closet, and of course we have our iron. We also have our ironing board, and we have a few hangers that we are able to use while we're here, you know, to get comfortable. Once again, you can put your luggage, you can fold whatever it is, whatever linen you need, you can put it in here, or whatever clothing you need. All right, now I love the setup. It's not too much. It's giving so much with so little. Love it. We have a lovely mirror here, a nice plant, and this is our king size bed, folks. Of course, we have our air conditioning unit that is in our master bedroom. Point to note, bedrooms number 1 and 2 do not have air conditioning units. However, they do have ceiling fans. So that is something to note. However, our living room space does have a larger unit for that air condition, and I love these little cushions. Like, they're so pretty, they're so nice. Once again, we have our beautiful window that is letting in so much natural light. Imagine you wake up in the morning and folks, you're just looking outside, enjoying the view, enjoying the sun, because the sun will rise on that side, so it will be all fun and games, trust me. All right, so we're gonna go into the bathroom. This is the master bathroom, and upon entering we'll notice that the layout is the exact thing as the previous bathroom, so the layout is the same. It's like a duplicate. Yes, simple, nice. I love it. So we're gonna move now from our master bedroom and we'll be going into our laundry room. Yes, we have a laundry room, and guess what's inside the laundry room, folks? We have a washer and we have a dryer. Yeah, go and see for yourself. So in here you will be able to wash your linen, wash your clothes, whatever it is. You take a dip in the beach over there, yeah man, you come over, you wash. That's just how it is. That's just how it is set up.
Now let's take a look at the outside of this Airbnb. I have to point out how well manicured the lawn is. And what we'll be doing is we'll actually be visiting the backyard. That's the only place we haven't seen just yet. Now, of course, beyond these gates is such a large backyard that has so much potential. Just to let you know, if you decide to take your friends, family, children over, of course, you can have a grand time in this space. You can enjoy yourselves with family games and all that. And of course, the property is fully fenced, so you can be comfortable knowing that your children will be safe in the backyard. All right, as promised, individuals traveling from St. James or from the eastern side of Jamaica, we're currently traveling down, and we just passed the Kenilworth ruins. We are currently going through Mosquito Cove. And of course, there is a large or very well-known landmark coming from this direction, which is the Dolphin Cove location, which we're now passing on the right. And now we have arrived at the housing development, which is on the left. And for those of you who are traveling from Lucea, we've started from the National Commercial Bank and we're heading towards the housing development in Point. We're currently going through Johnsontown. And one of the largest landmarks coming from this direction, of course, will be the Grand Palladium, Lady Hamilton and Spa on the left. And after passing the entrance there, the housing development is on the right. All right, and also to add, this housing development boasts a volleyball, netball, and basketball court. And of course, for those of you who don't feel like going in the beach or going in the salt water, feel free to utilize the pool that is inside this development. And we have to say, we really love how modern the design of this housing development is. It is really nice. And I have to also thank all of our viewers. For those of you who have stuck around to the end of this review, we want to thank you so much for joining us, and be sure to like, share, subscribe. Remember, this unit is Tranquility at Sony Escape, and you can book with them. Their link will be in the description box below, and I'm pretty sure once you're booked, Castaway and Samantha will be sure to take care of you.